Hello students, after doing Euclid's division lemma, we come to other property of real numbers, the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So today's topic is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. In earlier classes, we have studied about prime numbers and composite numbers. Now, what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are the numbers which have two factors only, 1 and itself. For example, 2, 3, 17, 23, and so on. Factors of 2, 2 into 1, factors of 3, 3 into 1, factors of 17, 17 into 1, factors of 23, 23 into 1. Now, composite numbers. These are numbers which have more than two factors like 4, 8, 14 and so on. Factors of 4, 4 into 1 or 2 into 2. Factors of 8, 8 into 1, 4 into 2 or 2 into 2 into 2. Factors of 14, 14 into 1 or 7 into 2. So students, we observe here every number in last has prime factors only. This is our fundamental theorem. Now, we state here fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes. This factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. Now, 432 is a composite number. Let us convert into prime factors. 432, 2 into 216. 2 is prime number. Then factors of 216, 2 and 108. Factors of 108, 2 and 54. Factors of 54, 2 and 27. Factors of 27, 3 and 9. And factors of 9 are 3 and 3. So, prime factors of 432 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 432 is equal to 2 raised to power 4 into 3 cube. One more question. Express 5005 as product of prime factors. Now, 5005. First, 5 and 1001. Then 7 and 143. Then 11 and 13. So, 5005 can be written as 5 into 13 into 11 into 7. It is right as order doesn't matter. But students, better way to write this is in ascending order. So, 5005 is equal to 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. This theorem has many applications in maths. To check either a given number is prime or composite. Let us see. Explain 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 is a composite number. Now, we can take 13 common. 13 into 7 into 11 plus 1. And we can write 13 into 78. Here, it has more than two factors, and we know if more than two factors, then number is composite. So students, I explained about prime numbers, composite numbers. One more thing, one is neither a prime nor a composite number, and smallest prime number is 2, even prime number is 2. Generally students ask about co-prime numbers. Here I explain co-prime numbers. These are the numbers whose HCF is 1. For example, 4 and 15. HCF is 1. So these are co-prime numbers. Now, HCF of 847 and 2160 is also 1. So these are also co-prime numbers. So students, you can check which numbers are co-prime. Now, I hope you understood about prime factors of composite numbers, and this is your home assignment. You will solve the questions, and this is all for today. Thank you.